Hi everyone, it's day 490 and we're going to do a different sort of poem. I have actually done this before, but I thought it was a good one to have another go at. So this is called a ghazal, or I think the more common way of saying it is a ghazal. So this is basically it's a series of couplets. It comes from the Arabic and then from the Persian culture. And it's a series of couplets, and each couplet ends with one word or phrase, the same one all the way through. So the second line of each couplet is the same, the last word or phrase is the same. This is called the radif. And immediately before the radif, on at the end of the couplet, is a rhyming word. So, for example, you might have something like caught tonight, where tonight is going to be the radif, which will always be repeated, and caught would be the kafiyah, which is the rhyming word. In the first couplet, the radif is repeated, so it's at the end of both lines, and that's the only difference. And the last couplet quite often includes a proper name, and it's often the poet's. I've read quite a variety of these, and there are some wonderful ones out there, some very modern ones as well. And the one I've written was inspired by the idea of trees, and I have become particularly fascinated by the fact that the landscape has changed over the years, and so we now see trees on the horizon. But we can also find evidence of prehistoric trees in stones at our feet. So this is a ghazal for the trees, which I shall attempt to read, because it took, I'll show you actually just how much it took. So it took an awful lot of kind of working at, I would say. So, ghazal for the trees. Now, here in Weardale, the tree lines seem low, and then outliers, windswept elephant trees, grow, and then slowly our kaleidoscope brain imagine times when hilltops were seabeds so long ago, and then corals, crinoids, fan-shaped shells swam the ancient seas. Warm, fecund oceans gave way to ice, snow, and then such pressure on our planet. Landscapes rose and fell, deep tectonic chess games we'll never know. And then we find ourselves here, in a lonely riverbed. High summer makes water clear, low, and then you see it. The tree fern, the lepidodendron, fabulous fossil, its deep imprints show, and then as you run your hand along cold stone from deep seas, 300 years ago, echo, and then. So that's a ghazal about trees and about the, I suppose, the excitement of discovering a fossil tree. It's a very tricky but ultimately quite rewarding form, so I do encourage you to try it, and I hope you've liked listening to my attempt. So best wishes, and you take care of yourselves, and I will see you in a few days. Bye-bye for now.